Yes. Part 2 of GODOT Devs. This is created on the same day that GODOT Evreything Part 1 was made. I'm just gonna post it on a different day. But yeah. Today I'm going to be teaching you about first thing actually about second is how to use animation players. Is what I'm going to teach you. So we're going. Okay, why is this lagging? Okay, I'm so sorry for you seeing it lag. Okay, but yeah, I'm going to be teaching you about animation, link buttons, video players, and how to customize your video player. So 4 things. Actually, I'm going to be teaching you about some more other things, but yeah, see you. I'm going to get a mesh is what I'm going to get, and I'm gonna give this mesh a walking animation. And no, this is not me creating a game. This is just me creating things in the game for y'all guys. I don't need that. Finally, I can create it now. So I'm going to add that to it. Select the node. I don't care about that. Okay. And I'm going to get this, and I'm going to put it in my mesh instance. Now I'm going to go to the animation player, and I'm going to make a new one. What am I going to call this new one? Walk. So this is the steps to making an animation. First, make a new animation. Then adjust how long the animation you want it to be. I want mine to be 2. And now go to the player that you want to animate. I'm not gonna use a whole entire kinetic player. I'm just gonna use a regular mesh. And I'm going to go down to transform it is. Yep, transform, you translate. I'm gonna create that, and you're gonna see that little dot. That means it is created. What you want to do is you want to go to the beginning of it, and you want to click this key on what you're going to use. So if I was trying to rotate it, I would use the rotating degrees. Or if I was trying to scale them, I would use the scale. But if I'm trying to do all of them, I use the translate, the rotation, and the scale. But I'm only gonna use the translation one because I'm going up and back. And then at the end of it, you're gonna want to do it the same for the same exact one that you choose. Now you're gonna want to go back like a few seconds before your stuff starts, and you're going to move your character, and then you're gonna click it. I don't have the best animating skills, so it's gonna look a little ugly when I'm done with my animation. I'm just gonna keep on making it go. 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 On making it go. Okay, now this is not gonna be the best animation, but now y'all know how to do animations, and I can just set it as replay, and it's just gonna keep on going, walking animation. So now we got that done. Now I'm going to teach y'all something else. I'm going to teach y'all don't save this, I don't need that. I'm going to teach y'all about link buttons. What is a link button? Well, link button is exactly how it sound, and it's very easy to use. It's basically like a regular button. You type in what it's for. I'm gonna say go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. Okay. Like that. And now I'm going to start a script for this. Create. And I'm going to use a press node. Connect. And now this script is going to be totally different. All you have to do is caps OS dot shell open. What is shell open? Shell is basically the browser. So open the browser, and whatever is put into this, search that in the browser. That is what shell is for. Shell open. Shell open the browser and open whatever stuff that I put in. Open whatever line, like open. That's why I had this page earlier. Open any like any URL that I put in here, and you're probably like, this probably doesn't even work. Well, the videos that I teach, I already know what works and what not doesn't work. So that's how I figure out everything. Okay, paste this in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to save the scene. Save scene. Now play the scene. Let's see if it works. Part 3. We're gonna be getting more into scripts later after we done the. This is going to be this is part 2. This is gonna be the last part. And look, boom, kashalakta, boom, sends you right to the open. It sends you right to the URL you put in there. So basically, it opens the browser. You see the browser is open. Then it opens up this URL in the browser. Okay, time to teach you about something else. X this out. Time to teach y'all guys about the something very special that was added recently, I think. A video player. It's kind of exactly what it says. It's what I'm using to make my anime site that just got cancelled, but sooner or later, after I'm done, like after I get enough subscribers, I'm gonna start back working on it, because I'm gonna be focusing on my channel now. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to put the volume like, okay, and I'm gonna set it on autoplay. I already have a video for this. I'm gonna show you everything. You don't have to do this if you want, but nobody said nothing on YouTube, because nobody on YouTube, or like nobody in the whole entire world, has ever been. There has been a site made on GODOT, but it never has been an anime site. So it's everywhere, man. Never ever. So I wanted to make one myself, and I used GODOT, and I got the what is called again. I got the the video player. I finally got an OVG video of Naruto, and then I clicked open. The video's right there. Let me save this scene, and then what I did was I played the scene, and I seen if it worked. And look, wait for it. It worked. I was so happy until, okay, I think that's copyrighted, but until I finally figured out that, okay, what if the players have to go eat something and they have to pause their show? I looked everywhere on YouTube. I will literally look right now. How to pause the video player. How to pause the video. Okay, for GODOT. For GODOT. GODOT tutorial. Play and skip on button press. It's not what you think it is. Videos inside your GODOT game. Pausing your GODOT game. How to pause. And I sat for a day going through all of it. Every one of these. To look. Never found it. So yeah, there was nothing on it. I'm gonna teach y'all a few things. Oh, actually, I'm gonna teach y'all how to pause it, and then I'm gonna teach y'all a few things on script, and then so basically, you're gonna create two buttons. And for this to work, you have to have both of the buttons inside the video player, and the video player must be the one with the script. And then you can go back to making your buttons before I interrupted you. Sorry, I'm trying to move my chair. I'm trying. Okay, I just have to teach you about this and the script variables, and that's gonna be it. Not script variables, you already taught that. Connect to the video player. Must be exactly connected to the video player. I'm gonna name this one Stop, and I'm gonna name this one Play. And I'm gonna go in the scene, and I'm gonna go right here, stop. Okay. And down here, I'm going to put play. Pass. And for the same down here. And now since I have those, I can take off autoplay and I can do this. Now let's test it. I know it works, but yeah, I'm just gonna test it so I can see that it's true and proof. Play. Hold up a second. This works, this works. I'm telling you it does. Play on the phone. What's this? Okay, it's the video player. Let me see if I did anything wrong down here. Autoplay expand. Okay, now let's see. This works because I used it in my BTA, the BTA of my anime site. This works. Okay, you see? See? There was nothing wrong. I just did not click stop this. Okay. Okay, then button. But yeah, see? It does work.
12 years ago,
Let me just watch some Naruto real quick.
suddenly appeared. Its tails lashed out, smacked.
Okay, let me stop this. Okay, it might be copyrighted, so let me stop that. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys about player variables. I taught you a lot, but I didn't teach you. Make sure you have the player script to move around, and you have a player health if you're going to let damage be done to your player. Now let me go to these buttons, because since this is not from my other game, I'm gonna change them. Do damage to I'm gonna be teaching y'all some high-tech stuff. Do damage to yourself. I don't have a UI, so I can't make the UI do damage to them. So now I'm going to be like, front on button press health. Okay, no, I have to do this in the, okay, I'm gonna delete that, disconnect this, and I'm going to connect this with the player. So now now I can do on this button press health equal 76. Pass. And I'm going to make sure I have this as export for. Yes, I do. Now self player damage. Now all you have to do is actually I don't think I've ever finished that lesson, how to make a UI. I would need, okay, that's way high tech. That would take me like a whole entire video to teach that. So probably more into the channel, I will teach y'all how to make a UI. And this video is done, 18 minutes in. And peace, guys. I would really appreciate if y'all guys can go subscribe. If you haven't, go check out part 1. This series of GODOT Evreything is done. Well, everything to start you off with. Peace. Oh yeah, and next video coming out, I don't know what I will do. Tell me in the comments, or if not, I'll probably figure something out to teach y'all.